बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है खुशाल पंजाबी के हवाले से। खुशाल पंजाबी इज़ बोर्न ऑन 23 अप्रैल 1977 and dead on 26 December 2019 was an Indian film and television actor. He won the TV reality game show Zor Ka Jhatka Total Wipeout, the Indian version of US game show Wipeout, in February 2011, taking home the prize of 50 lakh, equivalent to 1 crore in 2023. Born 23 April 1977, Bombay, Maharashtra, India. Died 26 December 2019, Bombay, Maharashtra, India. Occupation actor. Years active 1996 to 2019. Known for Kal, Lakshya, Ishq Mein Mar Jawa. Punjabi had been in movies such as Farhan Akhtar, Lakshya, Karan Johar, Kal, UTV, Dhan, Dhane, Dhan Gol, and Sini Vista. He had also appeared in a number of television series, most recently in Ishq Mein Mar Jawa on Color TV, where he plays an advocate. In addition, he has participated in several reality shows, including Fear Factor, Mr. and Miss TV, Paise Bhadi Padenge, Notika, Navigator Challenge, Ik Se Badhakar Ik, and Jhalak Dikhla Ja. He had been a professional modern jazz and hip hop dancer and choreographed the Glad Rags, Manhunt, Mega Model, and Mrs. India contestant, as well as various fashion models and music videos. He uh, choreographed and directed the Star Walk fashion event for Umeed, NGO for children. Early life and family. Punjabi was born on 23rd April 1977 into a Sindhi family. His father is from Karachi, his mother is from Hyderabad, and he was born and raised in Mumbai. As a child, Punjabi was extremely active and start cycling, skating, swimming, and dancing very early. In the coming years, he played football and swam for his school and college. He loved traveling and being outdoors, and his spirit of adventure made him an APT candidate for adventure sports, which he did with great passion. His love of dance, theatre, and music helped him in becoming a serious actor, and he went on to do more than 20 TV shows, 5 films, and numerous music videos and commercials. Career. He started his career as a dancer and model and participated in Glad Rags Manhunt contest in 2000. He also appeared in the music album of Shweta Shetty pop song Deewane To Deewane Hain. In 1997, his television career began with the TV series A Mouthful of Sky in 1995 for D Metro channel, followed by Love Marriage in 2002 on ZTV, and also appeared in a number of series like Dawn in 2006 for Star One. Santan from 2007 to 2008 for Star Plus, Kasma से कसम से in 2006 for ZTV, फिर कोई है for Star One, and King Asman Ka Ik Raja for Sony TV. He appeared as sub-inspector in CID Special Bureau Detective Crime TV series CID on Sony TV from 2003 to 2004 and had a small role in the TV series Kasam. In 2004, he appeared as a lead in Dekho Magar Pyar Se on Star Plus, an Indian adaptation of popular Venezuelan TV series Me Gorda Bela, and also in popular comedy TV series Kabhi Hain Kabhi Na on ZTV. His other shows were Antaraksh in 2008 for Star Plus, Ye Dil Chahe More in 2006 for Star One, Hum Tum in 2008 for Z Next, and Rishta.com on Sony TV in 2010 for Yash Raj production. He also appeared in Star Plus TV series Raja Ki Aayegi Barat from 2008 to 2010. In 2010, he did a cameo in Sub TV Gutar Gu, India's first silent comedy series. He then backed a prominent role in Cine Vista Farhan Akhtar film Lakshya 2004, followed by Karan Johar Kal, which also starred Ajay Devgan. He appeared in Hindi films Lakshya 2004, Kal 2005, Salame-Ishq, A Tribute to Love 2007, and Dhan Dhane Dhan Gol 2007. He was a trained dancer, choreographer, and worked as a dancer trainer with Shia Mac Devar for a while. He participated in reality shows like Mr. and Mrs. TV 2007, Fear Factor, Fun on the Run, and Ek Se Bandhar Ek 2008 on ZTV, and in 2011 won the TV reality show game show Zor Ka Jhatka, the Indian version of Wipeout, which started with 28 contestants in an obstacle course set in Argentina and was hosted by Shah Rukh Khan and was shooting for Balaji Films Rock the Shadi as one of the three main leads. He also made a wild card entry in the dance reality show Chalak Dikhla Ja. Death. Punjabi was found dead at his residence in Bandra, Mumbai on 26 December 2019. The cause of death was reported to be suicide by hanging. He died at the age of 42. He was suffered from depression. Before committing suicide, he distributed his property among his parents and son as stated in his suicide note. In the words of co-actor Chitan Hans Raj, he was going through separation from his wife and was down with sickness. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।